morning. Nancy's going to get her glasses. We are going to Frenchtown, New Jersey. It's one of my favorite paddles. We put in on the Delaware up in Frenchtown, and we float down to a place called Point Pleasant where we take out. The current is very strong. There's no way you could put in there and then, you know, go back to your. You need 2 cars for this adventure, but it's really great. The water is amazing up there. It's crystal clear up there. It's beautiful. So I'm looking forward to the paddle. It's going to be a really super hot day today. So yeah, I'll be swimming a lot and trying to make the umbrella work and innovating more again. So yeah, so we're gonna meet Leslie. So Leslie's gonna hang out with us today, and she's gonna meet us up there at 8 o'clock, and we are going to see how long we can stand the heat. So there's Nancy. Are you ready to do this, Nancy?
Yes.
Okay, so we got everything in the back, and we are ready to do our thing. So we'll be reporting in. Okay, here we are at Frenchtown. We're at, is it Kingston Landing, Nance? Yes. I think it's Kingston Landing. This launch is actually pretty decent. We're gonna drop the kayaks. We're gonna wait for Leslie. We got here early because, you know, Leslie's a prompt girl. So, we're gonna put in here, and you can see how lovely it is. The river is awesome as usual, and then they're gonna drop the car off, and we're gonna go from there.
Running.
Yes.
You evil woman, you. And I'm thinking everybody wants to rule the world.
Nancy's got her 17 rods.
There's my glue thing. Oh yeah, because you did get loud. I did, yes. My 17.
Here we are up at Frenchtown. It is lovely. It is gorgeous. And we are gonna kayak down there. We're gonna go to the right of the island. We're gonna, because there's like several islands down there, and the right part, the right side is kind of cool.
So we go to that side.
Yeah, we're gonna go to that side, but we're probably gonna stop all along the way. So
yeah,
we got.
That's what she was saying.
Yeah.
We like, you have to hold on.
Okay, we're floating down the Delaware. Leslie and I stopped and we sat and just let the water run past us. It was so nice. It's a hot day today, and we're just gonna kind of take our time, but it's pretty shallow up there, so we had to get out and kind of pull the kayaks over the rocks, but it is so pretty. Nance spilled. Caught 3 fish and tried to kind of come in hot for the shoreline, and she spilled the kayak. It was pretty funny. Anyway, she's trying desperately to get out of like the weeds. So we're having a good day. It's wonderful. Love being able to hang out with my friend Leslie, and of course my best friend Nance. Always.
Oh, where? I thought I heard.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, it must be on somebody's property.
Yeah, he ain't gonna get very far.
Yeah, that's probably it. I gave her some to take to Florida, and they were hiding them, and then she got this, she would stop people walking in the street and say, "Where do you live?" And they'd say, "Ohio," and she's like, "Would you take this rock and hide it?" So she came all over.
Leslie, are you having a good time?
Oh my God, this is like awesome. It's the first time. And
So
I can't
pretty,
wait
right?
to come back. Yeah, it is great.
Nice relaxing
Yes.
day.
I'm gonna steal Nancy.
We're
from
having,
you.
yes, please do. We're having a good time. Nancy's out there, like I think she's going over by the waterfall, which I kind of suspected she might, to try to do a little bit of fishing over there. And yeah, because it's got all that air in the water. So, but yeah, we're having a good time. It's just beautiful. I mean, I know it's hot, but we're not really feeling it because we've been swimming and getting in the water a little bit. But it's just lovely. I love the Delaware so much. It is a long island.
There's another side to this? No, I'm looking at my map.
You're looking at PA over there. That's PA.
I don't know why they have me here.
Because they lie.
I'm going forward.
Well, I would hope so.
I go forward.
Ooh. Nancy, how many fish have you caught?
6.
6?
Yes.
You're
I
out of
landed
control.
6. 5. I landed 5, but I caught 8. There's a difference.
Yeah.
The difference between
You're crazy kayaking mama.
crazy kayaking mama. You know what? I'm gonna look over there where that little bridge is. Oh, I know where that bridge is.
You do?
I know where we are. We're near Hope. No, Charity. That lake. Hope
Oh.
Lake. The one I said near is up in Upper Black Eddy.
This is not Upper Black Eddy.
I know, but oh, I thought it was. We're not that far up. On the Pennsylvania side?
I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm wrong.
No, I could be wrong too. But I'm gonna go look in that area. You know, what am I looking for? Structure.
You go, girl. We're gonna go up a little bit and meander.
Thank you for the nut. You're welcome.
Leslie is getting her calcium intake as we speak. No? There he is. He's over there. He got
So
out.
he's out?
Yeah, he's up.
Okay. Yeah, he was stuck in there.
Oh, little guy.
Good job, lady.
Yeah, look at
Now,
him.
are we not supposed to go?
I don't know what she's doing. Not yet. Like, I don't know what that means.
She don't want to stare at a fish?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, you saved him. You saved his life.
Yeah, the poor little thing was stuck in there.
Yeah.
That last one. Biggest smallmouth I ever caught.
Really?
In fact, when I was pulling it in, there were 2 or 3 other bigger ones following it because it was a fish in distress. So they think it's kind of like prey. Kind of cannibalistic.
Structure. Yeah, they're not bad.
Oh, there's them damn floaters.
Floaters! Okay, we're gonna stop over at the left here.
Yeah, that's right. Oh my God, this is so wonderful.
Okay, Nancy, what happened back there?
I caught 12 probably smallmouth bass.
12?
See that?
Oh my God, is that the lure you used?
That is it.
That's an ugly lure.
It is. It's a bug, but I tell you.
Hey, they liked it.
Love the bugs.
Okay.
Telling you, they're everywhere.
You're doing good. It's a good day.
It is a good day.
Fantastic.
It's a fab. It's beautiful. It's cool. It's comfortable. Lovely. It's a lovely day. I'll probably pull one up right now.
I hope you do.
You too. Nope.
Damn
I
it.
tell you, the one I caught back there was big. It was big for a smallmouth. I'm so used to catching largemouth that and they fight. The little ones, the small ones, fight like the big ones. I got wet. That wasn't bad.
Nah. This is where they take out their...
Yeah. And that's what that guy was.
Mm-hmm.
They need all the logs and the storm. Crazy. They say you can kayak in the canal, but they're like it's getting in and out.
Yeah.
And then there's like, there's some bridges you can't go under. Because it is, especially the Jersey Canal. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Blues or Philadelphia one, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania one out of the water.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what they're like, it's, you know, getting in, getting out, bridges.
Okay, so we're winding down to the end of our kayaking thing. Nancy's still back there fishing, but we had like that was a rough ride. It was a rough ride. The wind was just like whipping around, and like no matter how much you tried to paddle against it, it was just like, and then you came up against the rapids and the rough water. Yeah, it was really crazy. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. But anyway, we are heading towards the takeout point now, and Nancy's not far behind us. Hopefully. And you know, we're gonna do our thing here, so it should be pretty calm now from this point forward. But it was a little rough ride there. So anyway, it's hot. The sun is like,
Yeah, I am hot.
yeah, the sun is like beating down on us here. So anyway, it was a fun day though, but that last part was like a little rough.
That like half hour seemed like, whatever it was, felt like forever.
I know, I was like, oh my God.
I'm like, I don't want to say how much further.
Right.
I'm like, I feel like a little kid, how much further?
I know, right?
But now we're back to good.
Yeah, so anyway, we'll check back when we take the kayaks out.
Stone bridge, and I thought I am so fucked. But it was cool. Lovely. All right, Leslie, let's do our thing, girl. Yeah. Do our thing, baby. Do our thing. Oh.
You know what? I'm going over where the rocks are.
Okay.
That sand.
Oh yes, this
Oh,
stuff.
yeah, I forgot there is
Is this muckety muck over here?
What's
I've
that?
forgotten about that.
Yeah, I think this is
You know,
mucky.
actually, the rink goes all the way out into the water there. So
Where do you want to go, Nance?
I'm gonna go over someplace solid.
Okay, because there's rocks there, so I'm gonna let you decide because you got the bigger kayak.
What's this? Skills. I usually say my ass is caught on my boat. Ugh. Look at the little minnows! Oh my god! Why? Structure.
Structure.
There's a big old branch down there. Ugh. Slowly I turn. Inch by inch. God damn. I'm gonna close it up.
All right, Leslie. Leslie is hooking her kayak up here. She's back down the ramp. Did you have fun, Leslie? I mean, up until the wind.
Yes, it was awesome until.
Until the wind.
Yes.
Till the wind.
Oh, with the wind?
The wind.
It was blowing against us.
Yes, it was. The current didn't matter.
No, that's
It didn't matter.
It was beautiful. It didn't feel like it was 95 degrees. That's
No,
for sure.
sure did not.
Nope.
So,
It still doesn't. In the shade.
Fish bait.
all right. Well, that was an adventure. Got to see Leslie today, and I'm really happy I got to see her. We got to kayak down the river. Nancy is drinking her yogurt.
Drinking my yogurt.
And we are finishing out the day. I mean, it looked like we kayaked like 6 miles. Was it 6 miles or something?
Yeah.
7 miles, something like that. I don't know.
We left at 8:30 in the morning.
But we were, lollygagging. Nance was fishing, and Leslie and I swam almost the whole time we were there. So it was really nice. At the end, the wind really killed us, but it was a fun day. We had a good time. Did you have fun, Nance?
That was fabulous.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Lots of fish. Smallies.
All right.
Great.
So anyway, tomorrow we're going to regroup and figure out what we're doing tomorrow. So